Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to save storage space on Messenger and Facebook. So here I'll be teaching you how to save storage space on Messenger and Facebook. So, there's two ways of doing this. First way, it's a little bit easy, and the second way, it's much more easier. So we're gonna start with the first one, easy. So we're gonna start with opening up your Facebook, as you can see right now. We're here at the Facebook now. We're gonna make it save some storage, remove some a little bit data for our storage Facebook and Messenger. All we need to do is go to our settings, which will go. And now we are here at our settings. All we need to do is click on apps. After clicking on apps, click on app management. Here at app management, you just need to search on Facebook. Then all we need to do is right here, go to storage, and then all we need to do is clear cache, and then we will save up to 129 MB. Or you can do is manage space right here. By clicking on manage space right there, delete app data. This includes file settings will permanently delete from this device, but you will save up to 1.59 gigabyte. So that's a lot. So I suggest if you have no choice, you can delete that. And also you can also do that at your Messenger, which I will show you. Messenger, go to storage usage, and then clear cache and clear data. Or the last resort for you guys, I want you to go to your Play Store. Here at our Play Store, all we need to do at our Play Store, we need to type in Facebook Lite. Here at Facebook Lite, once you download this, as you can see right now, once you've downloaded this, here's what it looks like. As you can see right now, I have an account here. As you can see, it has two purposes. It's as Facebook with Messenger built in on it. There you go. So Facebook Lite only only has a few gigabyte than the Facebook and Messenger, because Facebook Lite saves you a bunch of a bunch of gigabyte in MB, because when you're doing like a iOS Apple App Store and doing the Facebook or Android Google Play Store, I think it's about 400 MB download size for the iOS, and Android is typically between 100 to 250 MB. And Messenger is for the Android is 50 MB, and iOS I think it's about 120 to 130 MB. But when you're using the Facebook Lite, it's a game changer, because Android version is a very and typically just a few MB, like between 2 to 5 MB for the base download of it. And then if you're gonna do like a Messenger Lite only, roughly about 10 MB. But if you're doing this right here, it has both, so it's a little bit of about 10 to 15 MB right here on this app right here. So it saves you a lot of space, and it's so much more practical with lower end version of phone. So I suggest for lower end version phone, I suggest using Facebook Lite. Facebook Lite really saves you a bunch of storage space. So yeah, there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type in the comment below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.